Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this metallic silver Toyota Yaris Cross. Now of course this is the 2021 year model and you do get full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You then get these brilliant anthracite grey alloy wheels, which of course are an 18-inch, and I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition these come in. Now of course round to the rear we've also got your reversing camera just up at the top here, and then in the tailgate we have plenty of room, including your three-way splitting rear bench. Now of course it does have these rubber mats on the backs of the seats and the boot floor just to protect the carpets underneath. Then coming out to the round again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have part cloth, part leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric automatic windows all round, keyless entry and start. Inside we have your electric handbrake with auto hold. We've then also got your EV mode, traction control off, and your drive select, of which you can choose between power, eco or normal. We've got your E-CVT gearbox, dual climate control in the front with two front heated seats. You've then got your touchscreen display, which comes with your various media sources along the top. We've then also got satellite navigation. And then of course we also have Bluetooth hands-free built within the main display. Then to the steering wheel, we have your volume, voice assistant, and then your onboard computer controls. Your Bluetooth hands-free and return button is at the top. Over to the right we have your source, track select, and your cruise control settings on the top. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see this Yaris has done 15,684 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Toyota Yaris, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.